Welcome back to Car Craze, the channel where we explore the latest, most exciting, and unique vehicles on the market. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Citroën 2CV. Citroën has revived this legendary car with a modern twist, keeping the essence of the beloved Dirge Vaux alive while updating it with 21st century technology and style. Known for its simplicity, quirky charm, and practicality, the original 2CV was an icon, and now it's back to capture the hearts of a new generation. So, let's get right into what makes the 2025 Citroën 2CV such an incredible throwback with a modern appeal. Starting with the exterior, Citroën has truly embraced the spirit of the original 2CV. The 2025 model retains the distinct rounded shape and signature corrugated body panels that the classic was known for. While the design may seem nostalgic, it's updated with modern materials that make it lighter and more eco-friendly, which also improves performance. Up front, we have the iconic round headlights that are instantly recognizable and give the car a friendly face. Citroën has used modern LED lighting technology here, which provides excellent visibility while maintaining that vintage look. The overall shape, from the soft curves of the roof to the simple lines along the body, pays homage to the original, but with a sleeker, more polished feel. The color palette is also a nod to the past, with vibrant, earthy tones and pastels that remind us of the 2CV's heritage. There's even a convertible option, just like the original duck style, allowing the roof to fold back for open-air driving. The wheels, designed with retro styling cues, complement the body perfectly. Overall, Citroën has managed to create a design that's both nostalgic and fresh, a tough balance to strike but one they've nailed with the 2025 2CV. Moving inside, the 2CV's interior is a masterclass in minimalist design. Just like the original, Citroën has kept the layout simple, yet it's been enhanced with modern materials and subtle luxuries that make it feel comfortable and inviting. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, with a central digital display that provides essential information without being overwhelming. The seats are upholstered in eco-friendly fabric, another nod to sustainability, and are designed to be comfortable yet supportive, perfect for city driving or longer trips. The seating is configured to give passengers plenty of legroom and headroom, a key feature of the original that Citroën wisely retained. A fun retro touch in the interior is the use of toggle switches and vintage-inspired dials, which give the car that classic feel but are actually connected to a fully modern infotainment system. The central display is compact but features all the essentials: navigation, music, and Bluetooth connectivity, plus Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Citroën has made sure the tech doesn't overshadow the simplicity of the car, striking a balance between functionality and charm. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Citroën 2CV is its eco-friendly powertrain. Unlike the original, which was known for its small air-cooled engine, this new version is fully electric, aligning with today's shift toward greener vehicles. The 2CV is equipped with a compact electric motor that provides just the right amount of power for urban driving. It's not about high speed with the 2CV, it's about efficient, smooth, and enjoyable driving. The electric motor offers instant torque, making the car feel responsive and surprisingly zippy in city traffic. The battery pack is designed to give the 2CV a decent range, around 150-200 miles on a single charge, which is perfect for the car's intended use as a daily city commuter. Charging is straightforward too, with compatibility for both regular home outlets and fast chargers. Citroën's focus on sustainability is evident here, as the electric 2CV has a small environmental footprint, making it ideal for eco-conscious drivers. In terms of driving experience, the 2025 Citroën 2CV stays true to its roots by offering a smooth and gentle ride, perfect for leisurely commutes and weekend adventures. The suspension is built for comfort rather than sportiness, with a soft setup that absorbs road bumps and uneven surfaces effortlessly, echoing the smooth, floating feel that the original 2CV was loved for. The handling is light and responsive, making it easy to maneuver in tight city spaces or along winding country roads. It's a car that makes every drive feel laid back and enjoyable, reminding you to slow down and enjoy the journey. Safety is another area where the 2025 2CV stands out from its predecessor. The new model comes equipped with all of Citroën's latest safety features. You have essentials like airbags and anti-lock brakes. But there's more. Citroën has added advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and even a rear-view camera to help with parking. These additions make the 2CV not only charming but also a smart, safe choice for modern drivers. Another fantastic aspect of the 2025 2CV is its affordability and low running costs. The original 2CV was built to be affordable and economical, and Citroën has kept that philosophy alive with the new model. The electric powertrain means maintenance costs are low, and charging it is cheaper than filling up a gas tank, especially with rising fuel prices. Citroën is positioning the 2CV as an accessible option for drivers looking for something fun, stylish, and practical without breaking the bank. As for the trims, Citroën offers the 2CV in a few different configurations. The base model comes with all the essentials, while higher trims add a few extra comforts and features, like heated seats or a premium sound system. There's also a limited edition heritage trim, which adds unique color options and vintage design cues for fans of the original 2CV who want an extra dose of nostalgia. With competitive pricing across all trims, Citroën is aiming to make the 2025 2CV an attractive option in the F market. To sum it all up, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is more than just a car. It's a statement, a tribute to a timeless classic, and a step toward a sustainable future. Citroën has successfully brought back the charm and simplicity of the original 2CV while updating it for today's eco-friendly and tech-savvy world. It's a car that doesn't try to compete with high-performance models. Instead, it invites you to enjoy driving in a new, relaxed way. If you're looking for a stylish, affordable, and environmentally conscious vehicle that stands out from the crowd, the new 2CV is definitely worth a look. Thank you for watching Car Craze. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Citroën 2CV, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments what you think of this modern twist on a classic. Is it something you'd love to drive? And as always, stay tuned for more reviews, insights, and everything you need to know about the world of cars. See you next time.